If you're Indian, you're gonna find this very funny. Indian people are always late except one place, and that is airport. I don't know what it is, but Indian people, especially Gujarati family, because I'm from Gujarat, would go 6 hours before their flight. I have no clue why. It literally doesn't matter whether it's birthday party, wedding, engagement, anything. We're never on time. But for whatever reason, airport, we decide to go at least 6 hours before. If it's an Indian flight, they usually go a day before. And I have no idea why. Do you guys know why Desis prefer to go to airport? That's the most uncomfortable place. There are no good chairs. Food sucks. On top of that, you have to pay for everything 3 or 5 times more. But somehow, we are there 6 hours before our flight. Do you know why? If you do, can you please let me know in the comment? Because I really want to know. Why do we go so early? I also went 3 hours before my flight.